No power of hell, no scheme of man can ever block me from his hands till he returns. That's it. Or calls me home. Here in the power of Christ I stand. No guilt in life, no fear in death, for this is the power of Christ in me. From life's first cry till final breath, Jesus come.